Exothermic and endothermic. If you recall, oh no, flip back one page. If you recall, exothermic reactions were reactions that gave off energy. They feel hot. Endothermic reactions are ones that absorb energy. They feel cold. The products have more energy within them than the reactants do. So all you had to do for your homework, first part was identifying whether a reaction description or a reaction equation was exothermic or endothermic, and so this is that page. After placing steel wool in a container of vinegar, the container starts to heat up. That means you are releasing heat. That's an exothermic reaction. Mixing ammonium chloride and water gets colder, means it's an endothermic reaction. If the energy is on the right side of the chemical equation, that's exo. If it's on the left side of the equation, that's endothermic. Questions, comments, concerns about those four? The next set of questions I gave you was just about two graphs. There was energy graphs. The first one looked like this. The reactants start up here. They go up a little bit. Then the energy drops down to the products. If the energy of the products is lower than the energy of the reactants, that means energy was given off. That is an exothermic reaction. And so the breakdown of the questions looks like this. The reactants are Roman numeral 1. The energy of the products is Roman numeral 4. The relative energy levels and stability. The more energy you have, the less stable you are. So the reactants have more energy, they are less stable. The products have less energy, they are more stable. 2 is the activation energy. 3 is the overall energy change. This is exothermic because the products have less energy than the reactants. We'll say it that way. And how much energy was released? Well, it ends at 50. It started at 200, so that means there's 150 kilojoules released. Exothermic reaction. Comments, questions, concerns about that page? Going once, twice, thrice, sold. Okay, cool. Then the last page of homework I gave you was this one. This one is the opposite. The reactants start low. The hill to climb is large. The drop is small, and the energy of the products is higher than the energy of the reactants. So the labeling looks like this. The reactants is 1, the products are 4, just like before. The relative energy levels and stability. The reactants have less energy, they are more stable. The products have more energy, they are less stable. 3 is the activation energy. This thing is endothermic because the products absorb energy. The Roman numeral indicates the overall energy change is Roman numeral 2. The energy released, it's not released, it's absorbed. 75 went in because it ends at 100 and it began at 25. That means 75 was absorbed. Comments, questions, concerns about any part of that? Yes, Daniel? No? Okay, for a second I thought your hand was up. And that was it. Then that was Wednesday. Thursday we did a lab. If that lab I asked to be handed in today. So if you got that lab done, throw it on top in the bin. If the lab is not done, then you need to get it done. I also last week, Thursday, said that anyone who was here, if they were interested in taking the review assignment for the chapter, because we have a unit test on Wednesday, anyone who was interested in taking the unit review was able to. I put the pile over, I think it was on what the desk Muhammad is sitting on. If you did not get one last week, I will have them available today. They will be on the desk kind of across here from Johnny. If you have not grabbed a unit review, grab a unit review. That's what we're going to be working on today and tomorrow. We will save ice cream for Tuesday. Next week we will make ice cream. Not tomorrow, Tuesday. Next week, Tuesday. After you come back from the Easter long weekend. We will make ice cream in class, and then we will start biology on Wednesday. I have a key for the review, should anyone want to see it. As you're going, there were 2 typos in it. I will show you what the typos were as soon as I hand them out. Anyone who as you're working on this, anyone who's got questions, I would encourage you to reference your notes. Don't just jump to me right away. I will happily help you. But I gave you notes for a reason. See if you can reference those first, especially if I'm already helping someone else with this. And yeah. Are there any questions, comments, concerns before I release you to work? Going once, twice, thrice. I'm hearing whisperings. No whisperings or questions? Okay, cool. Sold. So that's what we're doing today. Let me know if you need anything. On your market, take care.